Hello, Doc.
Hey, mommy, how are you?
I'm good, and you?
Surviving.
Oh, I just want to say thank you so much for your time doing this for free. Honestly, um, I got to know you through Facebook. Someone recommended you, so I quickly went to your website and I subscribed. I think today is the third Saturday that I connected on Zoom. I think if it's not, yeah, third time. But my first time I used Archer, and the second time I used the same Archer. The third time I bought New World and added it to the Archer. But I think most of the things that you taught here were the things that came. Like, it's kind of, in Ghana we say, it's like apo.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I
Like,
know.
everything made sense. And I just want to say thank you. The first time I listened to you, honestly, I want to be frank, I was like, this thing is kind of slow for me, but I couldn't stop listening to, even though I said, this thing is slow for me, but I was still listening. Like the first time on one of your YouTube channel, one of the things that you did. So I was listening, I was like, this thing is slow, but the man too is knowledgeable. Let me listen. So I developed love for you and I started following you, liking your videos on YouTube, anything that you post. And I want to tell everybody here that they should go in for the new stuff that you post, because it's like the new stuff that you post recently are the things that appeared on my NCLEX, honestly. And it was my third attempt, and the computer shut at 85. And I want to thank God for your life and want to motivate you to keep doing what you are doing, because you are very knowledgeable. And it's my prayer that God will make your name all over the place, like your name will overtake the whole place. So thank you so much.
Yeah, we are not taking the whole place. That's not the purpose. I feel like nobody should fail this test. I mean, I've taken a bunch of board exams. I know it's very painful. I mean, there's no way. You got to prepare for a long time. So that was the motivation, and I'm happy. It's very helpful. I cannot teach by just running around, give you 5 minutes video, and then I post it, then I rank number one. I mean, I think it's unnecessary. That's not the purpose. It's just to teach, and then teaching is you got to slow down, take your time, and explain the thing so that anybody, if you wake up in the morning, and you'll be able to understand it. That's the way.
Yes.
I mean, it's just like you have to know it so that you don't have to even look at the book. It makes sense to you, then you can.
Sure. I am I'm so excited. I'm the most excited person on earth now, honestly.
You did a hard work. I mean, this is natural for me. I mean, it just like it doesn't take me a while to make a video.
Yeah, I know, but and I appreciate the fact that when we just slid into your email, we ask you something, even if you don't reply through the email, you just go to YouTube and then you post it. And I really appreciate that, because we are paying tons and tons of dollars and it's not yielding anything to us. And sometimes we become so frustrated. And the things that will even help us, we underrate them. So I just want everybody to pay close attention. It's not about chewing. Like, I don't know. It's not about chewing the stuff, like memorizing. Okay.
Yeah.
It's not about memorizing. It's about understanding, because those things there, they are very tricky. They are very, very tricky. And I want to also tell people that they should read the questions very well, because sometimes we are so much used to the priority stuff, that who do you see first? But I think I saw a lot of things that were asking about who do you discharge? So if you go there like, oh, it's almost about priority, who do you see first? Sometimes I want to tell people that they should read the questions very well, because there are lots of push people to discharge. And if knowing your stuff without just memorizing, I think you can sail through. And I want to say thank you so much.
You are welcome. Thank you for sharing.
And God bless you.
God bless you too, and all the best of luck.